For Australia, started assembling US fairlanes in 1959. From 1967, Australian design fairlanes introduced to Aussie market by Z-series fairlanes, continued with N-series, IU fairlanes, and stopped this full-size luxury sedan by B-series fairlanes in 2007. Hi guys, Ben here from Autoluxe Resto. Today I'm gonna introduce you to one of our new projects. It's Australian Ford Fairlane 1970 302. Windsor, dealer fitted aircon. I'm pretty excited to start working on it. Actually, I already started work on it. I made you guys a very beautiful video, introduction video, when the car drove into the shop by itself. But unfortunately, for some reason, I lost the footage during transferring to the laptop. I'm making another quick video. This car was factory silver on a white roof, and that was pretty tight, big in the interior. You can have a look. Get rid of the sheep skins. All of these trims gonna be redone. Brand new carpet. Redo the dash pad / crash pad. We're gonna do some nice work on it and get it back on the road, hopefully. You cannot see many of these around. These are not as sought after as, or they not used to be as sought after as the Falcons in Australia. But I always have a soft spot for fairlanes, Aussie fairlanes myself. I really like them. As you can see, I already did some work on it because I lost the footage, so you're seeing after a few weeks. I removed the tank to start working from the boot and work my way through to the front of the car. I cut the back panel. That was repairable, but I want to take a challenge and hand fabricate some parts for it. Do more English wheel, bead roller, and some proper tools. As you can see, repair on the wheel arch. Inner of the rear guard, it's all been repaired. This section was very hard to make, but it's all there and look beautiful. I'm gonna show you another proper video on that. The seal's not in a good shape. Door skins, we haven't decided what we're gonna do with it. If they want me to hand fabricate some pieces or they buy some reproductions. There are some reproductions available on these cars, like door skins and seal, but the rest I'm not too sure. Like the wheel arches were not available. I made them. It came out nice. I'm pretty impressed with that. That's the back seat. It looks brand new, but sun damaged, as you can see on the top in here. Roof in the greatest shape. I just shaped a little bit in here. You can see surface rust. I've done it myself to see what's underneath. If we don't get any surprises, likely not any surprises on the roof. pretty decent. The rest of the car is pretty good, and this car hasn't been touched aside from some dodgy fiberglass repair many years ago, which I could see, and no missing bit on this car. Everything was there, is there, and surprisingly it has a brand new brake system. This car runs and drives by itself and it's pretty smooth, and the engine turned on after like 6 months, 1 year with first crank. Radiator looks brand new. It needs a shroud to go back on, and the engine bay looks fantastic. That's the original color of the car, silver. They didn't make decision yet if they want to keep it original color or they want to change the color on this. I think dark gray look good on this. I don't know, you guys tell me your ideas and leave it in the comments. See what you guys think. The interior gonna be burgundy 100% because it's a very cool color, and it's gonna be some nice big ass wheels on it. Lower it down maybe a little more. The rear shock absorbers on these cars are adjustable. I just pumped it up a little bit and it's holding air. It's nice. It's good to lower it down a little more, I think. And this thing gonna be beautiful when it's done. You guys let me know if you like it two-tone. What color would you put on it? We go from there. I'm gonna make some proper videos during the repair and put it online, put it on YouTube. Please like the video, subscribe to watch more videos if you're keen to watch more, and see you then. Thank you for watching.